Lists in HTML are a great way to sort items, and there are two different types of ways of listing. So there's unordered lists and ordered lists. In this example, we're going to be going through how to create an unordered list. So an unordered list, you open it up with the UL, so unordered list UL, and all the list items can be listed by LI. So we're just going to do item 1. We're going to create another list item, so item 2, and another list item, and so on. So these are going to create list items, and we can see here the difference between ordered lists and unordered lists. So the bottom one is going to be an ordered list, and the top one is an unordered list. And we go back out and refresh our browser, and we see that the unordered lists actually aren't going to be numbered, whereas the ordered lists are numbered. And other than that, you see that they work the same way. You've got the indent, you've got the bullet point, and here you've got the number, the indicator of which item it is, and the count going all the way down. Here you just have the bullets and the value that's in the list item. And whatever is placed between the list item tags is what's going to get output within the page. And always remember to close. When you open your unordered list, close your unordered list. And the same thing with ordered lists, and make sure that you're closing them. With unordered lists, you can also list out a type. So you've got an option for different types of unordered lists. If you want to change them to alphabetical, you can change it to alphabetical. If you want to change it to lowercase, it's a lowercase I. You could also do Roman numerals, and so on. So those are the options you have for ordered lists.